I'm going to show you how you can hide a single contact in WhatsApp. What we have to do is select the chat on WhatsApp application. In my case, I select this chat and we can see normal chat. Okay, in this case, this is mine and I am going to find the same contact in context. Select here and touch it. What I'm going to do is that since the code of the country if their number is from appears, I am going to delete the code and I am going to place two more plus. I edit contact, delete here and plus plus and save. Okay, save, hang on. Meanwhile, this is update, close here, and that will be alter the content, allowing it not appear but is still on your cell phone. We can see in WhatsApp Business we cannot see the content, but we search for here and we can see these other options and the message come, and this is very simple and useful. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.